everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I am going to share with you my all natural nighttime skincare routine that leaves my skin feeling refreshed, nourished and glowing by morning. I love using natural products because they are gentle on the skin and free of harsh chemicals. So let's get started. Step 1. The first step is cleansing. I always start with an oil-based cleanser to break down makeup, dirt and sunscreen. I love using organic cold pressed coconut oil. It's very gentle, effective and nourishing. I gently massage it into my skin for about a minute to really melt away the impurities. Step 2. I exfoliate about 2-3 times a week to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal fresh glowing skin. Tonight I am using a DIY exfoliant made with honey and coffee. Gently scrub in circular motions for about 30 seconds, then rinse with lukewarm water. Step 3. To lock in all that goodness, I use a natural moisturizer. Tonight I am using a DIY moisturizer made with pure desi ghee. I apply this all over my face and neck, ensuring my skin stays hydrated and soft throughout the night. Step 4. I used peanut butter. It's very good exfoliant for my lips and at the same time it moisturizes it. The last step is to use lip mask for the night. And that's it. My simple all natural nighttime skincare routine that helps me wake up with soft glowing skin. I love using natural ingredients because they are gentle, nourishing and great for all skin types. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Let me know in the comments what natural skincare products you use in your routine. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, good night.